Hello guys, for today's video I will show you how to install Windows 11 sa VirtualBox. Huh? Let's start. And then first is new, then let's name it Windows S11. Windows 11 lang. Windows 11. And then let's change this MB to 8196. Then let's change the CPU to 8. Then finish. Then let's start. And here in 2011, you're just here by waiting game. You just wait because it's so long and it's so many. Let's just fast forward it because it's so. Let's close it because we forgot to in ISO. Yeah, Windows 11 ISO. Then start again. Fast forward it a bit. Yeah, don't press anything about that. Can capture. Yeah. Next. Install Windows 11 and I agree. Next. And here is you just can skip it. It's 11 home. Next. Just to accept. Next and accept like that. You just wait here so long to wait because it's the latest version of Windows. That's why. Here create a partition. Apply. Uh, it's so long, yeah. Then this one, then format partition, and then next install. Yeah. It's here. It's so long that so your PC or laptop can last. So we can fast forward it. Uh, Look at my video. It's 47 minutes. I'll just fast forward it. So long. That is my mouse. Here 7 minutes. Just 50%. Like so long. 75% in 9 minutes. Uh, just wait here. It's rendering. That 941, still 77. Just fast forward. The PC will restart in a few moments. Then another waiting game, I think, after this. Yeah, so long la. So long. Just bear. So you need a better specs laptop or PC that can handle this one and a big storage because it's take a whole lot of storage if you install this. I swear you need ah look look at this. It's so long. I need to restart. Yeah, restart. I check my OBS here if it's still recording because it's so long. Installing computer, it's so long. It's moving, but this is not moving. 15 minutes still. You're just here for the waiting game, this moment. Still a waiting game. I don't know. You see, it's buffering. Now this is the setup. Wait, yeah, you know. Let's take with the Philippines. Philippines, yes. Yeah, US. Skip. This is just the only thing you do. Then after this, you're waiting game again. Just wait, 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 wait. Let's forward it. Just a moment. Is your PC on? Let's restart my PC. Just a moment again. It's just a long, long, long. Number 12 box. Just need to wait. If you don't have enough storage to install this, I think you must space up first before you install it because it's so taking up a lot of storage in your PC or laptop. Welcome, you thought it is, but no, it's not done yet. Let's name your device. Skip for now. You can skip it. Checking for Windows updates. I'll just skip it because it's just a waiting game. This is the more long waiting game again. Let's get it here. It's nothing. Just a 20 to 30 minutes depending on your computer that you will install this Windows 11. Let's keep it here, and it's still the same. Look, it's just stalling. Skip it again. It's still in step 2 again. You're in the 30%. Preparing to restart your computer. Starting 3. It's a long waiting game. If you know, you know, guys. Are starting it. Where you say I type that you're just that is the one that your only thing to do here, the setup and the skip the product key. You can skip it, but you just you just need the patience here. You don't need the research, you just need the patience. Skip. You see, it's still 98, it's not moving up. 100. See, welcome. Sign in. Oh, in here you need Microsoft. You need the Microsoft account here. Email.com. And next. Then enter code. You need to see your phone here. You just need to enter the code that sent it to you by the Microsoft. 850431. Just please wait, it's just a confirmation. Create a pin. New pin, fasten security sign. Letters and symbols. It's so hard to think a pin here because you need the letters, symbols, it will rumble it. It's so hard. Just wait here again. That next, privacy setting, just next, and like that. And continue. Restoring. Yeah. It's here. You install it. Yes. It's a waiting game again. See, it's a long waiting game. You just need an let's customize your experience. You can just skip it. You can just skip it. Yeah, skip. Skip again. You don't need anything. You can just skip whether when it has a skip, you can just skip it. Skip again. Sure, pressing that now. Decline, decline, back, decline, next. You just don't need that because it's just Microsoft. And like that. After all of that is finishing up, you just need to wait here. And it's done. You see? In Windows 11, you don't need to research up. You just need to know. You just need an email that can send the code, and you just need to set it up like that. You just need to set it up. You just don't need anything. You can just skip anything that has skip in here. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you learned something. You just need a waiting game here in the Windows 11. Goodbye and thank you.